Well, I survived the blizzard of 26, but that don't mean nothing because we still getting to these chips. So, quick update: we're at the second phase of me becoming the face of this brand. I'm gonna still keep it under wraps because I don't want to give it away, but I'm excited. I can't really believe that it's only been a couple of years since I've been in this industry, and now I'm ready to take this next step along with the branch of this particular industry. Now, I just got to prepare myself because now I am finna be working crazy, crazy, crazy hours. But it's all to the good because once you put the work in, because everything I'm doing right now is trying to set me up for the next 20 years. So I'm just starting to do every single thing right now overall. So your boy is out here hustling. Like I said, it's 26. We're getting to these chips. Nothing else. And I just want to send a special condolences to all those